So let's add HTML content in Blackboard, including images. We'll start on the home page and we'll look onto the left side for content modules. From there we see we have our week 1 and our week 2. We're going to click into week 1 when we do this. So here's what it looks like. And we have our 2 folders, Engage and Submit. And I'm going to put this in Submit because I want to give my students a reminder of what's due this week. So we have a title, and then for the text I've copied and pasted the text that I want them to remember, including hyperlinks to the different locations of different articles and templates that I want them to use. When I go down to the bottom, if I want to add an image or any other kind of a document, I can click that Attach Files, and I'm going to attach an image that I wanted to share with them. And you have the option to create a link to the file, click on this, or you can display it within the page, and that's what I want to do. I can check the alignment, set the width and height if I want to, or add a border, but I don't want to do that. I just want to put my image there so I can see it there and my students can see it there as well. We can go back 1, and we know that that is in that Submit folder in week 1. Okay, good luck!